Hello, this is Andrew. We are in sunny Buffalo, New York today. We're going to be doing an install. I'm the lead man in this operation here today. I got the vacuum. Just going to make sure everybody does their job. But anyway, we're going to see how this install goes. We got a nice waterfall edge. The color of the stone's Valor White. Should be a good day.
Good evening, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Lancaster, New York. We just installed a Del Tile Valor White quartz countertop. This countertop has a waterfall end, undermount double bowl sink. Overall, this installation went about as perfect as you could get. Everything fits nice and tight. Another good job by the All Kitchens Amazing team.